In this quick video, I'll be showing you the fastest way to get milk in Palworld. Obviously, if you're a baller, you can head across to the southeast section of the map, the small settlement, and in here you can head across to the wandering merchant just down the hill, even though he doesn't wander very far, where you can purchase, using in-game gold, tons of milk for 50 each. If you don't have any cash, you can sell random items here, and a bit further up the hill, you can sell your leftover pals to the pal merchant just up here. Then when it comes to collecting it for free, the easiest way, and pretty much only way, is to go out and capture or kill the Mozzarinas, which come in at number 29 on your pal deck in this location over here, and that's pretty much it. I'd recommend catching 1 or 2 of these, then at your base, you can put down a breeding pen to duplicate these and build yourself a ranch where you can pick up and throw one of these Mozzarinas in here, where they'll just passively drop milk as time goes on. If you put 5 of them in here, you'll get 5 times as much milk, 5 times quicker. It's actually quite insane how much you can produce just by keeping mobs in this little ring over here. Obviously, only certain mobs drop certain items. Some can't drop any at all, but having a few of these Mozzarinas in here is an incredibly fast way to get tons of milk really quickly. Anyways, that's really it for this quick guide. You now know the only ways that you can get milk in Palworld. Thank you for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.